Absolutely beautiful. I apologize in advance if there's a difference in image quality. I just got the GoPro 8 Black, and I'm going to be shooting in that from now on. See how it does on the computer. Today I'm going to be taking off the Hotside. I'm going to be removing the AC, taking out the intercooler, and then taking out the upper intercooler piping. And in order for me to start doing that, I need to start draining fluids, and we're going to go into that little time lapse right now. So I took the Hotside out, the intercooler, and the piping. I did not get the AC items out. I had some buddies come over and we started drinking, and I got distracted. So I will be taking that out sometime this week. All the stuff around here. Good old mountain views. Got all my shit over here. I'm gonna have to clean that up and make the garage look like a garage again. I just got off a 10-hour shift. It's Monday. I'm gonna be removing the AC. Yes, please. So, in order for us to take this stuff off, you need to take off these bolts. These are gonna be 12s. These ones over here are going to be 10s on both sides. Got to take off these guys. Those ones are going to be 10s. These two down here are going to be 12s. Over here, that's a 14 and a 17. And then that's another 10. Don't forget these two connectors, and don't forget that last little bolt, which looks a bit. Yep, that's cool. Follow your rules. Come at me without any of your fancy tools. Let's go, just me and you. Let's go, just one on two. Go ahead and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I can see you hate the way we intermingle, but I think you're just back. I left this guy in just because I don't have the new belt. The other belt is meant for no AC, but since the belt isn't here, I don't want to relieve tension for so long. So I'm just going to leave this in for now until I get the new belt. But in the meantime, I can put in the half radiator and I can mock up with the OEM fan. I can see you hate the way we intermingle, but I think you're just mad cause you're single. You're not gonna stop what we made together. We are gonna stay like this forever. If you break us apart, we'll just make you up, and we'll always be twice the gem that you are. Looking like I'm going to have to modify the OEM fan shroud just to fit this. I've already drilled into this guy once to fit the Evo 456 radiator, so I'm not afraid of drilling into it and lowering it a little bit. It's not the greatest job in the world, but it'll get it done, and that's what matters. So we're going to cut these guys down a little bit and throw some bolts and a nut through them. So the fan is on, about as straight as it can be on both sides. bottom and top. What I ended up doing, instead of using how this one is, how it's just a little clip on and you throw a bolt on, this one wasn't quite lining up, so I threw a bolt through there, and I took one of the nuts from the AC lines and it lined up perfectly, so I just went and did that. So fitment's not too bad. I still got plenty of room for piping. I'm only using the one just to mock it up right now, and once I set the second one up, I'll get the upper radiator hose cut, and then I'll be set. I'll be getting rid of this dude, getting the billet one that goes in front, the aftermarket, whatever you want to call it. Pretty tired. Not exactly what I was looking forward to doing after a 10-hour shift, but I'd say she's starting to look like a race car.